Ask him what his nickname is.
What's your nickname?
Which one?
Huh? Which one are you talking about, Lane?
His mom's talking. She used to invite me over without him knowing.
Oh Lord.
I swear to God.
I'm not gonna comment on the situation.
I swear to God she would.
No, I'm not gonna lie, it is true.
She would. I'd go up there and wake him up and he'd be like, what are you doing in my house? I'm like, dude, your mom texted me.
I had a similar situation with my friend. I don't know how you feel about it, but I thought it was kind of.
Oh, that's so cool.
I thought it was kind of odd.
She's hot. I don't care.
You do your thing, man.